Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you are also welcome. My name is Blessing A Kato and I'm back with something interesting. Guys, today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full face makeup tutorial and also a detailed ombre eyeshadow look. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get right into it. So guys, I'm going ahead to use the Kiss Beauty and the Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze 708. So I'm going ahead to apply concealer and I'm using the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. So guys, I decided to do something entirely different by blending out the concealer with a brush. So I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and I'm actually blending out from the edges. The next thing I want to do is to contour and I'm going in with the Mary Kay full coverage foundation in the shade bronze 708. I'm also going in with a red lipstick. I think that's all I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going in with a red lipstick from Who Is That Girl lipstick palette, and I'm going ahead to use the Ever buffer brush to blend the contour out. guys, I'm done blending out the contour, and I'm going ahead to set my under eyes or the areas that I highlighted, and I'm using the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02. Guys, I didn't want to use excess powder, or rather I didn't want to bake. So what I did was, after pressing the beauty blender into the powder, I actually went ahead to dust it off at the back of my palm, so I can actually have a easy way to blend my under eyes without baking or without using excess powder. So this is what we are looking like. So the next thing I want to do is to draw my brows, and I'm going ahead to use a gel to brush my brows in place before going ahead to draw my brows, and I'm using the Davis brand pencil in the shade 003. So guys, for the eyeshadow, the first thing I did was to go in with a brown shade. You want to take your time to blend this out because you're actually trying to blend the area you just cleaned up with the concealer, and also from where you are blending your eyeshadow. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm going ahead with a pink shade, a very light pink shade for my crease. I'm just going in with that perfectly. You need to just take your time and tap tap tap, or you blend blend blend. So guys, I'm going in with a blue shade eyeshadow. I don't know, but I actually went in with this because I thought it would be so perfect to create whatever I'm creating. So what I'm doing right now is putting the blue shade at the end of my crease, and then going ahead to blend it all out. So I'm going ahead to blend it all out with the pink shades. Then you want to take your time to blend it all out so it looks flawless and seamless. So this is all you need to do to get a perfect ombre eyeshadow. You can go with any color of your choice. So guys, I'm going ahead to line my eyes with a black pencil. The next thing I want to do is to blend my entire face with a pressed powder, and I'm using the Iman Luxury pressed powder to set my entire face. You want to also blend your neckline so it matches with your skin tone, and you are so good to go, girl. I'm going ahead to line my lips, and I'm using the same Davis brand pencil in the shade 003. I'm going in with a clear lip gloss, and then I actually went ahead to mix a mix two shades of two nude shades, I think a brown and a pink, to actually get this exact lip color. So I'm going ahead to blend it all out to how I want it. I'm going ahead to set my entire face with my Ombre Eyeshadow spray, and voila, we are good to go. Like, girl, this is fire. Like, look at the complete look, look at the look we just created, and I'm so loving it, guys. Like, look at how flawless it turned out. Guys, tell me what you think about this ombre eyeshadow look, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about it, because I'm so loving the outcome, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.